sat there, you NPP, you sat there. For 8 good years, you couldn't jail open. You sit there, Saglame, housing project, $200 million project. College Dauda is working free. 8 good years. One first track chairman would be not a year. And the most annoying part, they say, there were some NPP people who were fighting for these people underground. President Mahama, watch them next time. We no opportunity. Now be ruling this country. Over to 2 normal year. What kind of master yam? Watch them nyansa. We are no market. Any a compare with Agyapong. Kennedy of Agyapong. These 2 people called President Mahama. Just by making you on the phone. And they apologized to President Mahama on behalf of Chairman Wuntumi. So when they apologized to President Mahama, Mahama was laughing and said, okay, no problem. The question that I'm asking is, why were they asked to apologize to President Mahama? I don't get it. As a logician, the person bisa say, any political score settling. And I say, a bad impression you put you on President Mahama. So be already benya sembiano, sabi pano, onyasamo yikota, say nesi. I don't get it.
Abusia ena me no ka say aba betu jaga sabre de chama Wuntumi okwakopi mu e wo ensawa medium prison ya adwumaden no ya de kind of 20 years sentence no hono ne asha said de ya enya asem keto na busia chama Wuntumi prison okwakopi ni kodanche na obesi wonte so Ghanafo ebu afu yie pa ya wo monte e mampeni John Dramani Mahama ase na Ghanafo e change na ne say John Dramani Mahama e ba ba mu no yenya NDC fo bi edin apiepie mu te say Joseph Yame ya wo no e national organizer edema NDC amonyoko no afi yenya abanga kan ho a anya hwe kwa sa ni pai mienu no ye bo wo mu din se wo mu ye galamse e wa Ashanti regional enya asem ketwa eno nam so ma asem no ekokopie mu e wo Attorney General na kache wo bo asem na chi ede ma yoku besi nne fi se mampeni John Dramani Mahama betina ban mu no 2 years mu na NDC enya besi ne ya ye ti asem no ho hwe ya yoku no so e me ka asem no ho bibia na company for say ye bodamu ake edi fifie it is NDC for abase wo mu ba ye reset na anka resetting wo mo hwase frifie na anka wo mo akofo mu de apiepie mu se anya hwe kwa galamse ababeda ne kanka e de ase o man Ghana komu a ye kosi ebetu galamse na se ye ntimi ntu ase no ka for the first time ye nya ban bia wote so a wo no ane nkofo ye galamse a wo mu de apiepie wo man nkofo na fa wo mu wadi na mmode makwakọ dina se ni bia amabu abob ne de akwakotum na no na se wo firi wo na wote se monte so na akwakochichi wo mo so a ye galamse a anka Ghanafo eno be ya dwuna so we de wo ma hwa hweboada bibia enfri mu aba less than 1 year ya obukọ chama Wuntumi ya wo sha ase wo kekeme ne ho ena Ghanafo mu sori oni baaye no ni chebi wo matimi afa strike asem no e de chama Wuntumi asem awie ama sabrede o ma ne 20 years se wo nkogode me no ena Ghanafo e kyese se mampeni John Dramani Mahama wo ye ne sa na e kame ye se wo no ankasa ne nkofo NDC fo na e di bone no wo ka wo mu e de wo mo hye ne yema wo mpese wo mo no de o mba kokogina emre ne mo be kokodu ofofo so de a watimi aye e de na kwakotu no bufo sa bufo we ne nam so ama Ziega abedi enkomo na ensam de Ziega ka biye pa na menka ensam fa hye Ziega no mese so be ka me hone akọ ne kwakotu ensam a Ziega kan ye e de ma ye mampeni John Dramani Mahama na afi NPP amonyoko ne ba ya ba be de etri nkomo too much ne ye kono mese so be mi subscribe button so ya no waka isa wo de bell no ebe ka ho sa no upload it to the first person ya won sabedi kiaka.
It's time for your Ziega stake to also happen live for your Kesben matches so Ziega morning bibi aboko de
nyame adu bibi aboko
e de radio say
ya moto kakra ya moto kakra
Matias here
obe any day in fact yesterday nkofo sending me videos bia Emran TV afa me photo no ma fa chairman Wuntumi
okay
and almost say me magimeni so and they make what I say me magimeni so you see I don't like the style of leadership efa chairman Wuntumi how you in politics and you criticize and nyame nko a they make what I say the part the brain pedia na wo ye but ni issue we no tie you ni issue we say yanka ho asem da ha dia make what I say because now court And yes, you can't court as some workers been ha. They make an answer say. Now listen, me issue yabe. I'm not interested in the legalities, the technicalities in a normal air which some other time we take our time and talk about it. You see the young come wasn't. Now, Enra, I was so quiet. I was quiet the rest of the day because of Chema Wuntumi. Because me din and I made say, papa, so me bra penina and I say, it be our immunity. And I saw Koya me tumera, a dear and Kame. Because kind of 20 years. Nobody is talking about the 2046. That say BBNC appeal na ankoye na bibi kosia 2046 accept yeka. Recently no did the 50th birthday. Mr. Tobemba no will be 70 years. It is not easy. Yes, so you of one son wash on sa and then fantifo baby was a son and a sir with taketa kodado. Jamaica what I say. Maybe tro fantipa with taketa kodado. Okay, listen. In as much as me critique, I'm a criticizing Chema Wuntumi. The leadership and I'm a criticizing, but not this case. Not this case. I think the punishment is harsh. We are fighting Galamsey, Jamaica say, but the punishment is harsh. But listen, I did be Talimame. But you know who I'm in Tiasi, and I want to share with people. Listen, Mami Agrada, till you, Mami Agrada. Mami be fire by Bejelinu. No, I can't say to your man Penny John Dramani Mahama. Meboa. Yes. A lot of videos all over. Before the elections, 2 years before the elections, and the year of elections. He insulted President Mahama. Maligned President Mahama. And another somebody you jail in 15 years. You jail Mami Agrada 15 years. According me 8 months. She was released suspiciously. And yes, I had Mami buy. Till you. Mami free jail buy. And we'll call Prophet Adakwa Yadom. Not sorry. Which President Mahama Ukumasia or Kosa Prophet Adakwa Yadom. And everybody knows that Prophet Adakwa Yadom. I may adore no. Be papa be penasem. Opia bi so ye ndisi. Mami Agrada ko na sorry dem okoye no. And she was asked to apologize to President Mahama. Just ma me kadi you. Ye ya adwiri mu asem. Mami no apologize to President Mahama. Ba mi wa insult nipa bebrebe. Wa malign nipa bebrebe. Ade na President Mahama nkwana. Yes, who apologized to President Mahama, and he apologized to President Mahama. I don't get it. I don't get it. Now, Kamila Al Hassan, Ababa wana ye jail in the last week. Tama, she was first arrested. She was asked to apologize to President Mahama. I'm telling you. When she admitted that day now, because that day she went there without a lawyer. Jamaica Rata say she went there without a lawyer, but she was asked to apologize to President Mahama. Now, who share the false news? The charge now. The threshold of the constitution, at the end of the charge, and count the threshold, no say Adiana o kind of false news no a bet koso public order. Jamaica no say a bet me koso public morality. Nas a bet koso the national security. A bet me koso on and on and on. Sadia no kind and kahon. But she was asked to apologize to President Mahama. Why was she asked to apologize to President Mahama? I don't get it. Now are you a free just a Sokore member of parliament? Our year campaign coordinator, Edema Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, and Ashanti region. Tama Tema Wuntumi issue the bar from. He did a video interview and was say, Wakache press ayi Tema Wuntumi say, what apologize to President Mahama? Tell you, one part President Mahama. The video is all over. Now, Ora Fenyo market. Any a compare kwa Japan, Kennedy of Japan. These two people called President Mahama. Just by making you on the phone. And they apologized to President Mahama on behalf of Chairman Wuntumi. Just by making you. They apologized to President Mahama on behalf of Chairman Wuntumi. Chairman Wuntumi offended the public, that put it this way, politically. Argentina. President Mahama and Kwana said the pan yes or apologize to. I don't get it. All these people I'm talking about had the case. And I don't get it. So when they apologized to President Mahama was laughing and said, okay, no problem. And he shared something that Chairman Wuntumi said to him. I don't want to repeat it. No problem. But later, a conversation. About 30 minutes later, the President Mahama sent a video to a fellow market phone. And the Agyapong phone said, just your own people say me jelly. Ye jelly, ye fed say, Wuntumi. Share video na ye Chairman Kwasinti. John from Nano. Onu video no what chat ye jelly, jelly Wuntumi. Then President Mahama told them that even his own people, your own people, say ye jelly Wuntumi. The question that I'm asking is, why were they asked to apologize to President Mahama? I don't get it. As a logician, me perceive bisa say any political score settling, and I say a bad impression you put you on President Mahama. So be already benya sembiano, sadi pano, onyasamo yikota say nesi. I don't get it. Why is it that some Kofona offending the public, but they were all asked to apologize to President Mahama? I don't get it. When we told the man for say people should judge, as now Mekai. Now the NPP press conference. Yes, it's a solidarity press conference. Say NPP for say the Chairman Wuntumi was some party. What did the Sikabwa party? In fact, why ye be the ama party ni kakra? The American watchers say, they are the emphasis. It was a party back card bearer member. It is your China, day I see a press conference. But you see, the old boy and I will say, almost say, President Mahama should investigate to tell us the state of Joseph Yamin and Abdullah Abanga. Joseph Yamin is a national organizer for National Democratic Congress. Abdullah Abanga is the first vice chairman National Democratic Congress. Yes, so I'm here Galamsey. And a Yadiama Attorney General to investigate. That the President Mahama asked Attorney General to investigate. And Attorney General, I relayed the matter to Yoko to investigate. Besine Yente Wasem. And almost chronicle some of the issues are. And this is for a suspect so I'm here Galamsey, including President Mahama na Krakase. Nenko for the beer Galamsey. So these people should be faced out. I don't agree with them. You know why? And you good that we chase these people and cause Yoko to tell us the state of that matter. That is fine. But you see, you sat there, you NPP, you sat there. For 8 good years, you couldn't jail Opuni. Just for me, can you? Opian word, your father say, Nisabo Kubet you feel quiet. If President Mahama is showing them, or you're the party for, One me and the party man. You sit there, Saglame, housing project, $200 million project. College Dauda is working free. 8 good years. Ambulance, at force in 8 years. Motina who say 8 good years. Well, first track it, Chama to be not a year. Chama to be started court. Ghana form MPP form sorry 1 year mine. A honest start here, you jelly Chama to be 20 years. Then it took you 20 years. Not just somewhere home. And the most annoying part, they say there were some NPP people who were fighting for these people underground. I'm telling you. NPP people. They knew perfectly well that there were elements of criminality in some of the cases. Okay. And they were fighting for Dr. Opuni. They were fighting for College Dauda. They were fighting for Ato Fossey because in their origin. They were fighting for them because enough for them. Listen, what they will nyansa.
Okay.
President Mahama, what you will nyansa next time. We no opportunity now be ruling this country. Oba to no ma ye. Obia du hono mo a. Yes o koto say oba ne nkora mienu ku a. Ocho oba no abetia no fie. But don't degrade your son. Don't beat your son. In public. Don't rebuke your son in public. Once you don't know what is happening. Who do kofi anu aka say, "Hey, kojo, hwe ye no anko abonti biem." Wo kana ma sane yam, wo kire wu nyansa. Okay. Wo kire wu nyansa. It mu fa sadu na mu fa sua nyansa next time.
All right. But I say, Mami, we are bad.
And I will say, and some years ago, I developed some monsters. No, and I got for HSS, and someone has got a king. Says, Sunday, and I said, the crew party, and you're not NPP. I dear sound so, and I end this so I if you say, same people are pencil. In your mouth for no more galam saying your mouth for. Now, one fast work on so airborne or minor car. Na amanyo semti MPP for moody idea. And then no woman yard, your mom bore mine, woman bore mine bro. It is thousand as the NDC swabber. That's what no snap pencil, ya will be a yabody is almost so yagalam say, that's when to me and chin and crop for no. That's what me cross so carpets, echo other parts in him, echo chair, honey pad no to mudia. Nebi be a dear dancer say, well, may amanyo phone do a mine anymore. Woman your margin say, one more baba bow my name. One more and on baby baby, a demo Mugana for some, yeah, one more can eno, and a busia, mede ababas me mesre, so was over down there our comment section ho. Dear mommy, all the social media handles no, too much GH, also as well like it. Now I share enough for so you be a macro.